Government exam questions. Answer the following questions. Give reason. Acid rain destroys the system. Eco. Acid rain has many ecological effect, but none is greater than its impact on lakes, streams, wetlands, and other aquatic environments. Acid rain makes water acidic and causes them to absorb the aluminium that makes its way from soil to lakes and streams. It limits the nutrients available to the plants and exposes them to toxic substances that are released from the soil. Additional, choose the correct answer. The percentage of people in a given population who can read and write a language referred to literacy rate. In India, the first census was carried out in the year 1872. At the confluence of river, this pattern is developed, be triangular. Automobile manufacturing comes under this economic activity secondary. Van Mahotsav weeks is celebrated during 1st July or 7th July. The Stockholm Conference 1972 declared men as both as creator and molder of the environment. Which of the following is widely believed to be the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world? Damascus. Consider the given statement and choose the right option given below. Assertion E. Deforestation results in floods and droughts. Reason R. Under deforestation, trees are cut down, clearing the forest. A. Both A and R are correct. B. And A explains R. Assertion A. Urbanization is one of the environmental issues. Reason R. As the town expands, it mounts more pressure on transport system, water supplies, leading to air pollution, water pollution, etc. Answer A. Yeah. Okay. R explains A. Match the following. Monuments, man-made. Denmark, census. Northern Russia, low density. Plain areas, rectangular pattern. Metropolitan, Madurai. 3. Answer the following in brief. 1. Classify the environment. A environment can be classified as A. Natural environment, B. Human environment, and C. Man-made environment. What is demography? In ancient Greek, demos means people and graphis means study of measurement. So democracy is the statistical study of human population. What is the national increase of population? National increase of population is the difference between the birth rate and death rate. What is population change? Population change refers to an increase or decrease in the population of an area influenced by the number of births, deaths, and migration. Why do we observe the World Population Day? The World Population Day is observed on 11th July every year. It seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. United Nations Development Program started celebrating the event from the year 1989. Mention about the official population policy implemented in 1952. India has an official policy population implemented in 1952. India was the first country to announce such a policy. The main objective of this policy was to slow down the rate of population growth through promotion of various birth control measures. Explain the quinary activities. The activities that focus on the creation, rearrangement, and interpretation of new and existing ideas are called quinary activities. It includes the highest levels of decisions making it in a study or economy. Example, senior business executives, scientists, and policy makers in the government. Explain the term afforestation. Afforestation is the process of planting trees or sowing seeds on barren land devoid of any trees to create a forest. Therefore, afforestation is the creation of a new forest. What is forest management? Forest management seeks to achieve a balance between the society's increasing demands for produce, its benefits, and the preservation of forest health and diversity too. This balance is critical to the survival of forest and to the prosperity of forest dependent communities. What are natural pollutants? The natural pollutants are volcanic eruptions, wind erosion, pollen disposal, evaporation of organic compounds and radioactive elements, etc. Name the cities offering the best quality of life. According to the quality of living rankings by consultancy Mercer in 2016, the city offering the best quality of life was Vienna, with Zurich falling second. Sources United Nations UNESCO Mercer. Define environment. Environment is a set of relationships between man and nature. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, meaning encircled or surrounded. Environment includes both living, biotic, and non living, abiotic components. What are man made components? Pollutants. Man made pollutants refer to vehicular emission, industrial waste, smoke from thermal power plants, and refineries badly affect the environment. Mention the preventive measure of land pollution. Things used for domestic purposes can be reused and recycled. Organic waste matter should be disposed of far away from the settlements. Inorganic waste can be separated, reclaimed, and recycled. Define overpopulation and underpopulation. Overpopulation is a condition where a country has more people than its resources to sustain. Underpopulation is a condition where there is too few people to develop the economic potential of a nation fully. Mention the problems of urbanization. As the town expands, it mounts more pressure on transport system, water supplies, sewage, and proposed disposal. The overall development creates problems like air pollution, water pollution, traffic congestion, and noise pollution, etc. This disturbed environment affects the human beings as mental illness, heart troubles, breathing problems, etc. Distinguish the following: integral migration and international migration. Internal migration, the movement of people within a country between states, districts, villages, etc. is called as internal migration. The movement of people from one country to another across international borders is called as international migration. 2. Land pollution and noise pollution. Land pollution. Land pollution is contaminating the land surface of the earth through dumping of urban waste matter. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is basically a problem of urban areas, industrial areas, transport areas due to bombardment, traffic, etc. It arises from the breakage of underground storage tanks, application of pesticides, and petrochlorination of contaminated surface water, oil, and fuel dumping. It has an impact on the habitat of animals, migration, and health of inhabitants. One of the preventive measures, inorganic waste can be separated, reclaimed, and recycled. One of the control measures, planting trees along the compound walls to protect houses. Tertiary and quaternary activities. Tertiary activities. Activities which by themselves do not produce goods are called tertiary activity. It supports the process of production, for example, transport, communication, banking, storage, and trade. Quaternary activities. The activities related to research and developments are called quaternary activities. The economy of the quaternary sector is called knowledge economy. For example, services like consultation, education, and banking. Give reasons for the following. Fracking affect the environment. Fracking not only pollutes water and air but also pollutes the soil. The oil spills during fracking can harm the soil and the surrounding vegetation. The use of high pressure and the type of soil extraction and the storage of wastewater on site may cause earthquakes. Segregate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. We should segregate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste so that we can easily notice and separate all biodegradable which can be used as a fertilizer, while the non-biodegradable can be recycled. Segregate of waste is important for properly disposing of the huge amount of garbage in an environmentally conscious manner. Answer in a paragraph. Explain the classification of environment. A. Natural environment. B. Human environment. C. Man-made environment. Land, air, water, creature, natural. Components of environment: individual, family, community, religion, education, economic, political, human. Buildings, parks, bridge, road, monuments, industries, monuments, man-made. Natural environment. Natural environment of environment such as lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Human environment. This is the interaction between man as an individual, which is family, occupation, and society. It is also related to various cultural aspects such as education, religion, economics, and politics. Man-made environment. This has been created by man himself for the purpose of fulfilling his needs and to make his life more convenient and easy. For example, building, transport, park, industries, monuments, etc. To bring an equilibrium between man and the environment. Man has to study the distribution of population, availability of resource, development in technology, etc. Explain in terms density of population. Density of population refers to the number of people living per square kilometer. An area is said to be sparsely populated when it has large area with less number of people. Similarly, smaller the area with a larger number of people, it is said to be densely populated. Population density. Total population by total land area. The world's population density is divided into three main groups. Areas of high density above 50 people per square meter: East Asia, South Asia, Northwest Europe, and Eastern North America. Areas of moderate density: 10 to 50 people per square meter. The subtropical regions like Angola, Congo, Nigeria, and Zambia in Africa. Areas of low density: less than 10 people per square meter. Central Africa, Western Australia, Northern Russia, Canada, etc. Why is sustainability important? The excessive usage of natural and man-made resource depletes its availability for the future generation. We need to look after our planet, our resource, and our people to ensure that we can hand over our planet to our children to live in true sustainability. Hence, conservation and awareness are the two important terms that can bring sustainability to our living. When we use the word sustainability to be maintained, it means to maintain it forever. This is because our actions have a lasting effect on the environment and we should protect it for our future generations. What are urban settlements? And explain its types. Urban is a term related to cities and towns where people are primarily engaged in non agricultural activities. The factors responsible for urbanization are better employment opportunities, such suitable conditions for business, education, transport, etc. Urban centers are classified as towns, cities, metropolitan cities, megacities, contribution, etc., depending on the size and services available and functions rendered to it. Town. A town is generally larger than a village but smaller than a city. It has population of less one than like example, Arakonam near Chennai city. Cities are much larger than towns and have a greater number of economic functions. The population in cities are estimated to be more than 1 lakh. Example, Coimbatore. See, metropolitan cities. Cities accommodating population between 10 lakhs and 50 lakhs are metropolitan cities. Example, Mumbai. The megacities. Cities with more than 50 lakh population are called megacities. Example, Chennai. Conurbation. A conurbation is a region comprising of a number of cities, large towns, and other urban areas. Example, Delhi carbonation. What are the effects of deforestation? Deforestation results in many effects like floods and droughts, loss of soil fertility, water pollution, air pollution, existence of species, global warming, spread of disease, deserts, depletion of water resource, melting of ice caps and glaciers, rise in sea level, and depletion of ozone layer. The United Nations Conference of Environment and Development (UNCED) by name Earth Summit Conference held at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil on June 1992 concluded that all member countries should reduce their emission of carbon dioxide, methane and other greenhouse gases thought to be responsible for global warming. How can we conserve forest? Conservation of forest can be done through the regulation of cutting of forest, control over forest fire. To regulate monitoring and controlling the movement of the people, forest fire can be prevented. Proper use of forest products. We depend on forest for our survival from the earth, air we breathe to the wood we use. Besides providing habitats for animals and livelihoods for humans, forest produce are one of the most essential things in our day-to-day life. Therefore, we must use forest products properly. Sustainable forest management. The use of forest and forest lands in a way and at a rate that maintains their biodiversity, productivity, regeneration capacity, vitality, and their potential to fulfill the good global levels should not cause damage to other ecosystems. How to help the value of sustainability grow among students? Lifestyle. Lifestyle is our choice, and we change it. For example, when you go to the grocery store, make sure you always carry a cloth bag. This way, the shopkeeper does not have to give you many plastic bags. Fixing. If watch or a toy or a camera is broken or not working, try getting it fixed before buying a new one. Recycle. We should be conscious about the things around us. When we consume something, see if we can reuse it later. Needs versus wants. Before buying something, ask the question, do I need this or do I want it? Sustainability begins with us. So we should act locally and think globally. Write a note on human settlements. A settlement can be described as a temporary or permanent unit area where people live, work, and lead an organized life. Maybe a city, town, village, or other accumulation of buildings. During the early days, man preferred tree branches, caves, pits, or even rock cuts as its shelter. As days passed by, man slowly learned the art of domesticating animals and cultivating food crops. The evolution of farming took place along four major river basins. It is the Nile, Indus, Yuangho, Euphrates, Tigris. Man built huts and mud houses. Slowly, settlements came into existence. A settlement generally consisted of a cluster of houses, places of worship, and places of burial. Later, small settlements developed into villages. Several villages together formed a town. Bigger towns developed into cities. Settlements were formed with different shapes, size, and locations. Define economic activity and briefly explain its types. Economic activities are those efforts or actions that involve production, distribution, and consumption of commodities and services at all levels within a region. Types of economic activities. Primary activities. Primary activities pertain to the extraction of raw materials from the earth's surface. For example, food gathering, hunting, lumbering, fishing, cattle rearing, mining, and agriculture. Secondary activities. Secondary activities transform raw materials into finished goods. For example, iron and steel industries, automobile in manufacturing, etc. Tertiary activities. Activities which by themselves do not practice goods but support the process of production, which are called tertiary activities. For example, transport, communication, banking, storage, and trade. Quaternary activities. The activities related to research and development as well as knowledge are called quaternary activities. For example, services like consultation, education, and banking. Quinary activities. The activities that focus on the creation, rearrangement, and interpretation of the new and existing ideas are called quinary activities. It includes the highest levels of decision making in a society or economy. Example, senior business executives, scientists, and policy makers in the government. Explain the term sustainable development. Why should we balance the economic, social, and environmental factors of sustainability in equal harmony? Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. For sustainable development to be achieved, it is crucial to harmonize three core elements: economic growth, social aspects, and environmental protection. These elements are interconnected and are crucial for the well being of individuals and societies. To achieve true sustainability, we need to balance the economic, social, and environmental factors of sustainability in equal harmony. Social sustainability, the ability of a social system such as country, family, or organization to function a divine level of social well being and harmony is called social sustainability. The balancing capacity of a government in maintaining peaceful existence towards other countries and at the same time providing the requirements of its citizens without affecting the environment creates social sustainability. Sustainability, economic growth, social aspects, environmental protection. Environmental sustainability. The economic sustainability is a successfully implemented through strong public distribution system. Economic sustainability ensures that our economic growth maintains a healthy balance with the ecosystem. Environmental sustainability is the ability of the environment in the economical to support a defined level of environmental quality and unnatural resource natural extraction rates forever to mankind. Unnecessary disturbances to our environment should be avoided wherever possible. We will test your time 40 minutes, marks 25. One choose the correct answer. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. What a statistical study of human population is: A. Demography, D. Morphography, C. Epigraphy, D. Seismography. The secondary sector of the economy produce semi-finished goods, economic goods, finished goods, raw materials from raw materials. The extraction of valuable materials and other geological minerals from their mines is A. Fishing, C. Mining, B. Lumbering, D. Agriculture. The World Population Day is observed on A. August 11, C. July 11, B. September 11, D. January 11. Give reasons for the following. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 1. The economy of the quaternary sector is called knowledge economy. To population growth has to be brought under control. Third, distinguish the following. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. One internal migration and international migration, primary activities and secondary activities. Answer the following in brief. What do you mean by the term density of population? What is Black Death? Classify the environment. What is population change? Answer in a paragraph. Explain the factors of affecting the distribution of population. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. இங்க வந்து 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Answer 1A demography, 2B finished goods, 3C mining, 4C July 1, 11.